So I pulled out the old bad border. Here we have some electrical. We're gonna put some insert inlay light. Then all the borders in the floor. Inlay. Just have to go to get the right width wood. Let's see how it fits. I cut it. Nice. Nice, perfect smell. Beautiful. You can see we cut it in all those shapes. Wow. I'm going to use sandpaper to sand out the edge to get the sharp so don't get any splinters. Beautiful. So now we're going to use the grinder for the metal cutter. I need to cut the insert metal. Nice. Beautiful. Plug. Beautiful. So now we're cutting the second piece, the inlay insert, metal. So we just put it in, and then cut it in a 45 degree angle. Let me know what you think, guys. Getting ready to glue the boiler. I'm gonna apply this here is concrete. The other side. Put into really thick upon each one of the best glues for wood flooring. And I'll show you. Okay, so I applied the glue. Nice. Symmetrical. You can see the finish is very dry. Let's see. Nice. Like that. Just to the long one. Nice. Beautiful. So we just install our border. We just need to put some weights. The inlay is gonna look beautiful. So this is what we put, a trim inlay in the wood floor. Let me know what you guys think. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Now this is it. That's it. Lay. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share and subscribe. We put the light track in the wood. Nice. Let me know guys what you think. Nice and fresh.